with a common suburban house attic, making creaking and cracking sounds. Does your attic make you feel like you're stuck in a horror film when it rains or when it's on a windy day and it's making all those sounds? Well, today we're going to try to get rid of some of that noise. When houses are built, they use mostly nails in construction. And over time, when a house settles, these nails can pull out. Now this is called a collar beam or a collar tie. In this video, I will be adding 3 screws to the end of these ties to help cut down on the noise and bang in the existing nails. But a little inspiration is needed from my sensei. Now I start out by drilling holes through the collar tie into the roof rafter. I'm using a box to catch the debris from the drill. This way I could cut down on my vacuuming later on. I'm using 3-inch coarse thread deck screws, which are made for outdoors. This is an attic, so it is a damp location. I keep repeating this process for all my collar ties. Next, I'm installing screws in the 2x4 top plates. As you can see, I'm installing the screws on opposite angles and from the sides. These screws go into the ceiling joist from the floor below. Now you can add more than 1 screw in each joist, but for me I found that 1 screw was more than efficient. Now since the time this video was recorded to the time the video was posted, about a year has gone by, and I've noticed that it cut down about 60 to 70% of the noise that the house made previously. When working in an attic, you must use caution. As I move along, I am being careful not to step through the floor where there is no plywood, and to be aware of any nails sticking down through the roof. I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.